Hello everyone, you all guys are listening me on Unacademy online platform. As you know guys, a lot of the time you will get the foods are going to supply from the government side under the public distribution system. But you ever thought like those wheat and rice we are taking, is it nutrients or not? I hope you can understand like whatever the cereal grains you are taking, it's a carbohydrate, it's a protein. But you know guys, the nutrient is there or not. Only food, carbohydrate, proteins, fats are not required for your body. Even your body have need of lot of mineral elements, even vitamins as a supplement guys. So recently, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has given a speech like fortified rice supply. Now it will reach to everyone. So what about the rice fortification? Even fortified rice. This topic is connected with the science and technology. Those I brought for all of you guys, especially for the coming year examinations. As you know, here all the lesson of science and tech environment based current updates and most important topic, those are relevant for your coming year examinations, I brought for all of you. There's a lesson number 27 and here I'm connecting with all of you with rice fortification. So before going to start this lesson, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I've done my Ph.D. from IIT Delhi. I'm associated as a director of Purvanchal, where I'm providing the face-to-face classes for all of you at Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I'm taking your classes of science, tech and environment. From last 18 years, I'm already taking the classes in civil service examinations. 1,000+ selection happen in these examinations. Science and technology environment book of mine published on the McGraw-Hill platforms. This is my Telegram channel. Even I'll advise to all of you guys regarding all the PDF. Stay tuned with me on the Telegram channel. And even for all the video links. I also share all the video links on my Telegram platform. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you will get my all the plus courses and a part of this all the special classes. Plus courses are paid courses but special classes are free for all of you. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any course, if you are using it, you will get extra 10% fees discount. India's best educators of UPSC CSE, they all are available at one platform. You will get these all the experienced faculties on Unacademy. They are taking their own live sessions. Easter special offer is running now. If you want to join any courses, so this is the good opportunity to all of you. If 12 and 18 month of subscription you are going to take, so 3 months extra validity you will get it. And if 2 years or 3 years validity you are taking, so 6 month extra validity. So 24 month to 36 month subscriptions, any of them, 6 month extra subscription you will get it guys. So you will have a more and more time to listen to a teacher in multiple times. If you will use the Ravi UPSC code, extra 10% discount you will get in any of the courses, whatever you go and join. Unacademy is providing you a CSE prelims test series. That is a prelims test series. And these all the test series are developed by our educators. Here we have a coverage of all the complete syllabus and depth performance analysis. Even through the help of this test series, you can find out your weak areas. And this is very, very important in your entire preparation, guys. That time to time you will identify your loopholes. And before entering the examination, you will be properly prepared as per the demand of UPSC. Ravi UPSC is the code. Whenever you are going, use it. A free and comprehensive interview guidance program for UPSC CSE 2021 is running now. And those are the eligible candidates, eligible aspirants are going for 2020-21 interviews. So we are providing the free interview guidance programs with all the professional teachers and many of the UPSC members, those are even retired right now. So they have a good experience in the civil service examinations. So this mock interviews has been started from the first week of April. Hurry up guys, registered now. Now finally I have entered to the topics, rice fortifications. Now I was telling you about the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and that is a really great announcement guys, that those food we are taking, it is not only to fill your empty stomach, to give you energy. Even a part of this, it will provide you a lot of supplements as a nutrients. As a supplements and nutrients, vitamins and mineral elements are very, very important. And yes, that is very, very important for the poor section of the people. Those are dependent on the public distribution systems. Now they will get a quality foods. So it's a great initiatives and news from our Honorable Prime Minister. Even Niti Ayogs also have supported this rice fortifications. And even also say to the government regarding the promotion of rice fortifications. So somehow you people very clear even the concept of rice fortification means what in this introduction parts. So it is a practice. Rice fortification is a kind of practice generally where we are trying to increase the nutrient, essential micronutrient in the rice, and finally those rice you will get it. Now it's a nutrient enriched. And how it will be enriched, guys? A lot of the micronutrients you will get it. Okay, vitamins and minerals, those are very important for your body, guys. Even those minerals are trace elements. Trace element means very minute in the body is required, but still required. Through the help of food, now you people can get it, and that will be good for your health. In this case, guys, lot of the risk those people are getting slowly and gradually inside your body, now it will be minimized. So many of the risks even going to increase you people, guys, because of many of them vitamins and minerals deficiencies. What actually rice fortification and why it is very important. Rice as a most important staple food for all of you. Even if you see, guys, overall around 2 billion people eat rice every day. Even in Asia and Africa, if you count, around 2 billion people, though to Arab, there's very huge number of people, guys, those are dependent on the rice as a main food. Okay, those rice we are getting from the mill. Okay, that is the milled rice. After some process, guys, it has loss of the lot of nutrients, so its nutrient supply is very less. It is only as a carbohydrate supply. I just told you guys just to fulfill your demand of food and energy, but not as a important nutrients. But what will come here in the case of fortified rice? For your objective, you remember, guys, many of the vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B12, folic acid, and a part of this, the main important mineral element is the iron and zinc will be available inside your body. I hope you remember during the COVID, zinc capsule got so much popularity. The reason the zinc capsule even also used to enhance your immunity. There's a picture here. In this picture, I'll try to show you guys like how a fortified rice can be beneficial to everyone. As one side has a provide the iron and zinc, a part of this many of the vitamins you can see on the screen, guys. At least every type of vitamin, somehow with only few exceptions, that supply you will get it through the help of fortified rice. Behind the food fortification process, even FSSAI also supported. FSSAI is also very important question. I'm expecting this question in your coming year paper, guys, about FSSAI. One of the video I'll make on the FSSAI for your examinations. I'm expecting a question from this standard as the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, as like a BIS certification, Bureau of Indian Standard, okay, egg mark, that many of the authorities as UPSC already asked earlier. So I'm expecting FSSAI is also a good question for your paper. The one of the video very soon I'll make it FSSAI for your coming year examinations. What actually FSSAI is? FSSAI is what Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. This one has formulated food fortifications, that whatever the food we are taking, guys, it should be nutrient and vitamin enriched. And for that purposes in 2016, Food Safety and Standard Fortification of Food Regulation 2016 brought. So those food we are going to consume in India, guys, FSSAI brought some regulation in 2016. According to these regulations, some standard of food fortifications was defined. And here in this way, guys, this regulations 2016 that was brought by FSSAI, it encouraged the production, manufacturing and distribution, sale and consumption of fortified foods to all of the citizens of India. Okay, and FSSAI plays very important. If so, remember, guys, which body of India is even supporting food fortification in India under the regulation 2016. So you remember FSSAI, that is very important. It is not like that and Narendra Modi recently said and it is going to start. No. Niti Aayog recently brought it. No. Behind it, FSSAI already have started this work from 2016 onwards. So somehow this standard regulations 2016 can also be a part of question in your coming year. What will be the benefit? What will be the benefit of fortifications? Definitely, guys, inside your body, a lot of nutrients are going to store. Okay, and these all the nutrients, those are going to store inside your body just as a supplements after regular interval of time as it is required. it will come inside your body. A lot of the multiple deficiencies due to the poor quality of diet, poor quality of food is possible. Now it will be shut out. And fortification is the excellent process, guys, to increasing the content of vitamins in the breast milk also. And definitely, guys, a fetus, postpartum women and infants. So after the delivery, guys, even the female still have a need of, women also have a need of, your mother also have a need of proper nutrition. So some high fortified nutrients will come through the help of breastfeed, and that will come to the newborns, guys. So somehow the newborn will also access lot of vitamins and minerals. And even this is the reason, guys, whatever the woman is going to eat, not only during pregnancy, even after delivery, that all the nutrient supply is going to come into the mother, into the newborn baby, guys. And this is the reason somehow it's really a great news. Through the help of fortification process, if a mother will get the nutrient food, so somehow, guys, an infant and even the new breastfeed baby will also access the nutrients easily. So finally, it is very good, guys. The reason for the poor peoples, they are consuming the carbohydrate as a food, as an energy, but now it will be also wealth. And large proportion of the population, literally large proportion of population, will be beneficial. And the another part, it will be more cost effective. Those nutrients you are going to take outside from in the form of capsules or some other ways, now here you will get it at very nominal price. And now government is going to distribute it. And now finally here Niti Aayog. Okay, to tackle the menace of malnutrition, Niti Aayog seeks the creation of roadmap. Okay, what about a roadmap that Department of the Food and Public Distributions for taking the rice fortification pilot scheme pan India? Niti Aayog asked. So Niti Aayog asked to the Department of Food and Public Distributions, what about your roadmap to provide a rice fortification? A rice fortification, in the beginning, it will start from the pilot basis, and then it will cover to the entire India. So this is the Niti Aayog initiative, and now here Niti Aayog also very serious. Like our citizens of India, the poor section of people, and even every section of people, whatever they are eating, it should be nutrient enriched. So it's overall about rice fortification and connecting with the government, and what about the provisions, okay, FSSI contributions, everything I have merged here and try to cover everything of the rice fortifications. And this question may come in your coming year of mains examinations, as it will fulfill the demand of nutrients also. So it was an entire discussion of rice fortification, and it is very common topic and many times it is important. Still UPSC never asked the question from the rice fortifications. So I hope this all the entire video will be enough to cover your prelims and mains examinations. For this PDF, I'll suggest to all of you, be connected with my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is t.me/Ravi UPSC_Unacademy. Here you will get all the PDF, and a part of the PDF, guys, all the video link I also share here. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you will get all the plus courses, and a part of the plus courses, my special class is also available. Ravi UPSC is my code. During joining any class, if you use it, you will get extra 10% fees discount. This is the best course for all of you as iconic subscriptions. In this iconic subscription, one of the mentorship will connect with you, a tutor will connect with you, and he will connect with you, guys. He or she will connect with you in the live sessions regarding your doubts, and even in the case of your study planning, a tutor will help you, guys. Like many of the students have no one in your surroundings to help you. Here a better subscription is the iconic, guys, where one of the mentor will help you every moment of time. How to write, what to write, mains question answer practices, and one of the beauty of this subscription, you will also get the opportunity to connect your educators like me and other faculties. Unacademy subscription, the plus subscriptions, an iconic subscription for the general studies you people can take, whatever you people like. And not only the general studies, even for optional subscription if you want, and if you use the Ravi UPSC code, extra 10% fees discount you will get in general studies and optional both. Unacademy is providing you 0% EMIs. If anybody have a financial crunch, you people can get the benefits. So loan facility Unacademy is also providing you. So ultimately, your study will never have any hurdle. At last, I'll tell you guys, my science and tech and environment classes are running now on the plus. One of the session of science tech already done, and the one session of environment is running right now. If you want to listen my all the classes of science tech and environment, as 30 to 35 question every year in your prelims examination are coming from these two subjects, you people can join on the plus courses. Upcoming batch for UPSC CSE 2023 and 2024 is going to start from 13th April onwards, 2022. And see, these batches are for 23 and 24. It is in a bilingual Hindi and English, all medium. In these courses, you will get the 20 GS booklet also. You can see you have a good rating of Unacademy in different disciplines. And the best in the class educators, we stand at the first position in India. Printed comprehensive notes, 20,000 question papers, MCQ based, and even live mentorships. These all benefit you will also get it here. And at last, I'll suggest to all of you guys, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share this video, and download this video from the Telegram channel. And in the next video, again, I'll meet you with some new other topic that will be really very important and relevant in a very lucid manner and to the points I will bring for all of you. So thank you everyone to giving your attentions. Keep a smile always. Meet you soon in the next class. God bless you. Jai Hind.